Hello everyone, it's me again with Too. Welcome to With the Kitty Zone. So, today I am doing this lamp kind of. So I got this is a night light, a unicorn night light, and I got this as my birthday gift. Let's start unboxing it. There is this pink tree. There is this powder, kind of. There are these cute unicorns. There's some beads and a baby unicorn and two big people unicorns. And there's also some houses. We also have some more lights. And we have a hat. And we have this space. Plastic. Oh, you have to put it like this. See? But first we have to decorate it with all of this with glue. I'll show you the glue in 1 second. Okay. There's some more lights. And there is the glue. Let's start. First, let's take this. Let's take the tree. And carefully get it out. So now let's start gluing. To put this powder, it is pink green glass. It's time to open it. I'm sprinkling it with my hand. it round and round and round till the top. We have to take it out carefully. Like this. After you're done keeping like this, you have to keep it on this, and look, this you have to on it and off it. Look, this will blink fast, slow blinking, stop blinking. It will just stay and then off. That. Now, this will slowly carry it. And be careful with the tree. Like that. Now it's ready. Do you want to see how it looks? This is the special button. Press. See? And if you want to change it, you have to just press it one more time. Now, if you want to change it again, just press one more time. And you can't change it one more time because it will off. Do you like this way? No, do you like this way, or this way? Tell me. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.